Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre. A strong cold front is moving towards the central parts of South Africa during the course of the afternoon. It's already brought heavy rain to the southern parts of the country, and the rain is expected to spread to KwaZulu-Natal on Thursday after very hot and dry conditions today. Over the past 12 hours, this cold front moved past Upington and is now positioned on the edge of the Northern Cape. We're expecting more rainfall over the southern parts. Cold and wet conditions are taking place at the moment in the southwestern Cape, while thunder showers are already active in the eastern Cape, with thunderstorms developing later this afternoon over the central parts as well, but it's still hot and breezy on the Highveld in northwest and the Free State. There's a warning for a high fire danger over the eastern interior today, which includes the interior of KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern Free State. And there's a warning for heavy rain, which could lead to localized flooding along the south coast of the western and eastern Cape, as well as over the adjacent interior. This is our rain forecast for today, with widespread showers and thunder showers over the southern parts, a 40% chance of rain along the west coast. This will start clearing towards the evening, isolated thunderstorms over northwest and the Free State later on, with a much lower risk over the Highveld and the eastern escarpment. As the cold front continues in an easterly direction, we're expecting significant cooling over the central parts on Thursday. Rain starts to clear from the west, but it will be a cloudy and wet day in the eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal for the rest of Thursday, while thunderstorms can develop over the northern parts, where it will be hot once again. The wind forecast shows fresh northwesterlies over the Free State, northwest and Gauteng today, strong southerly winds later on in Cape Town, and strong southwesterlies along the eastern Cape coastline. There's a sharp contrast between temperatures over the eastern and western parts of South Africa, a maximum of only 8 degrees in Sutherland today, 16 in Cape Town and PE, with Pretoria rising to a high of 33, with a maximum of 35 in Pietermaritzburg. Overnight temperatures will remain quite high along the east coast. We're expecting lows in the upper teens in Durban and Richards Bay, but 8s for Bloemfontein, Kimberley as well as Upington, down to 9 degrees in Cape Town and George, and an overnight low of 12 forecast for Bishu. Let's take a look at the forecast for Thursday. Thunderstorms likely over Gauteng, the northern parts of the country, with cold and wet weather along the east coast. Cape Town partly cloudy with a high of 21. And by Friday, mostly sunny conditions over the interior with a risk of light rain in the far east.